everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to calculate currency conversion between two currencies in Google Sheet. As we know, some formulas in Google Sheet are different with those in Excel Sheet, such as the formula for calculating currency conversion. Here I introduced the formulas on several cases to calculate the currency conversion and the currency rate in Google Sheet. So let's start with our first case, that we want to calculate the currency conversion between USD and GBP. Select a cell which you want to place the result and type the following formula. Use Google Finance, press tab, and inside quotation type currency, type colon, and you want to convert USD to GBP, double quotation, close the bracket and press enter. And as you can see, the result is displayed. And for the second case, we want to calculate the currency rate between these two currencies. So type the following formula into a blank cell, Google Finance, inside the bracket type currency, colon, double quotation, and select your first currency, press F4 key to lock it, and select your second currency, close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, the second result is also displayed. And for the third case, we want a list of the currency rate between these two currencies. So in the cell adjacent to this starting date, type the following formula, Google Finance, press tab, and type double quotation, currency, next type colon. We want to convert USD to GBP, double quotation, comma, and in the attribute type inside the quotation price, double quotation, comma, and select your start date, comma, and in the end date or number of days, select your start date, as you want to calculate the result for 1 week. So you will add the start date by 7, comma, and in the interval you want the interval on daily basis, so type daily on the in between the quotation, close the bracket and press the enter button, and as you can see, the result is displayed for 1 week. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.